update to our situation. We went to 2 military bases. Both of them, it had security guards. One of them was screaming at us, if my colleague sees you, they're going to shoot you. Even though we didn't even cross the... we were just outside looking at one building, but they were screaming like we were inside already. I don't know, but the first military base, it was an old dude. He was very chill. He said, yes, too much snakes, don't go inside, blah blah blah. And we were like, yeah, we're just looking around. And yeah, and here we're trying to find an entrance to this big factory. It's really long. We found one. We wanted to check the perimeter if somebody is here. We managed to find an entrance, but there is a big ass dog here and it's unleashed, but the dog doesn't seem to care. We managed to get inside, so update when we go to the factory. Hai, влезем.
Не искам да се първи.
Що? Давай.
Няма да работи.
Тази сграда е по-стара от 3 манезеци заедно. That's cool.
Вече на болница, май.
Uh-huh. Касиери. I don't know what is this building. Верно. Have to get my flashlight. A kitchen. Ooh.
Ха! Тясни дупки за мен. Обичам.
Ето виж. There's so much fucking mosquitoes here. Ама има кенефлия външен, какво е? Може би отива към другата сграда. Не си струва.
Я да видя.
Ами ако искаш.
Добре. Как се вижда?
Перфектно.
Окей. Ей, чакайте ме тука. They left me in this baron and shit. And it looks like a bunker, but I don't fucking know anymore. It's long. Wait, it looks scary as fuck. Look at this shit. Okay. Oh, okay. There's nothing. Let's speed run this shit. Okay, anyways. Getting out.
Okay then.
Where is my... Okay.
Мога да оставим на земята. So somebody was slower, бавно е. Брат.
I'm just trying to break the whole thing so I can...
What?
No worries.
Okay then. So, oh what? Oh, a bat. Damn. Okay man. Oh wait.
But...
Damn. So one of our friends read that this place was a sewing factory, maybe? I don't know. It looks like it. Everything's really old, from bricks and wood, if you see. Bats. A really new bathroom. That's really weird. A really fucking new bathroom with some chemicals, some... What the fuck? I don't know. So, we're going to the other part of this building. Yeah. It was cool, but this toilet, it's alarming. Let's hope we didn't run into somebody. Whoa! Booba! Oh, looks interesting. Let me just put it. the fucking GoPro. But what is this? Ah, this is an elevator. Damn. Huh. Shit. I thought this was going to be a big empty space, but shit. Damn, nice. I don't know, but this doesn't look like it's from 40 years ago. Or maybe... Има асансьор, да. But it's no electricity here. We found the power grid or the transformator, but it isn't connected here. It was working, we heard it, but oh wow, it wasn't connected. What's that? Ah, damn. This building is very sketchy. Don't recommend exploring this type of buildings. I'm a fan of the hard, the steel and the fucking beton. Стомано бетона. Фен на тях, по-здрави са, по-сигурни. A scary thing is how there was new bathrooms. These look old, but не са толкова нови, бе. Shit. At least it's not wooden, right? Yes, sir. That's what we love. Бири. Туборг. Нескафе. Май не е шивашки цех. Oh, Buba. Damn, if I was popular they would strike my channel, but who cares? Look, Buba. 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 Another Buba.
Another Buba. Него не снимай.
Ah, balsam here. And this Buba is better Buba. Simple man. Прямо така, нищо. Прямо така. Нищо вестници. Зад това, какво има? Зад той.
Та туркиня, вижте.
Имаме втория етаж да гледаме, хайде.
А свети ли го?
О! Ей, това асансьора.
Ара го използвам.
Да, да.
Ладно.
What the fuck? Oh, ау! What? Видяхте ли го, е? Видяхте ли совата? Имаше сова. Ето тук беше кацнала. И като минах се стресна и прелетя. Аз дори не видях. Сигурно камерата е хвана. Well, we found this place, some office style, right before we exited. Some chemicals, some old mouse, floppy disks, keyboards, yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, cool. I didn't expect to see this, but yeah, this is the view. I think that is really a sewing factory because, well, look on the floor, some, yeah. But this is the top floor and it's so fucking hot there. Let me just look from the window. And the building is very fucking sketchy. Oh my fucking god. Look. Beautiful, but very sketchy. I'm kind of disappointed that I couldn't show you the other military bases, but we couldn't get inside, so yeah, I think this will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I want it to be a big type of video with a lot of places, but nobody knew that we could not go inside to the base. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys.